float around in the morning, shaking your cute tail fins and soothing me. One day that day suddenly came. The boiled octopus incident. Why? The thermostat broke. The thermostat broke. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. I'm panicking. I'm sad. I'm so lonely. I'll cherish and raise the baby fish you gave birth to. I hope you live long lives for mommy and daddy. I love you, fish, my dear fish.